Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny, and if this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, please subscribe and click the bell to my channel so you don't miss anything. Alright, today's video is my Robinhood 0 to $100,000 challenge, week 21. And guys, it was a great week for me. Even Friday, January 5th, I was up $9.18 for the week of, for this week, for the week 21, I am up $23.78. Great gains. That's 4% of my account. If I could keep 4% up for the next year, every week, that would be awesome, awesome gains. So let me show you kind of what I am doing and why I am up $23. Let's go to history. And starting off on the 2nd, I believe, I bought GE for $17.76. I bought ABBV and ABT because there's a dividend, ex-dividend date coming up on the 11th of January. So I bought in at a low point. Probably could have waited another day or so to buy, but I decided to go ahead and buy right away. And I will be getting dividend captures for both of those. I bought quite a few shares of DNR for $19.27 and then turned around and sold all of my DNR shares for $27.37. So I made a huge gain off of DNR for a one-day swing trade. I also bought eBay for $39.25. I sold AMD for $24.54. I believe I locked in like $2 profit. MU I sold for $45.81. I also locked in about $2.50 profit. eBay I sold at $39.13 and also locked in I think about a $2 profit. I bought Intel at $43.76, and then I finally sold my share of GOOD, Gladstone Corporation, for $20.35, and TEVA I also sold for $19.26 because I wanted to use more money to buy Southwest, or LUV, which is an airline company that I seen great potential in. Their estimated price target's about $85. I bought in at $64.29. And then I also bought another share of DNR just because at $2.32. I like to trade DNR. I don't really, mind holding for a little bit. They are profitable. And then I bought a share of AMD at $11.86. And then also got a free share of Chesapeake Energy from Chris K for $3.98. So all in all, I had a great week so far, and that puts us at $23.78 profit for the week. All in all, since August 15th, I am up $229, or 59% of my portfolio. So it's been a great week. A lot of stuff's going on. Right now, I have a share of DNR, a share of Chesapeake Energy, one share of AMD, one share of Ford, one share of GE, one share of Intel, one share of Abbott, one share of Southwest, one share of Microsoft, one share of ABBV, and one share of Apple. So that's kind of what's in my portfolio right now. I will be doing more selling and buying stocks for this week. Some watch lists that I have recently is obviously you could see here. I'm not going to go into too much detail about them, but these are stocks that I do want to get into and start trading now this week and also for the month. And I will keep you up to date on what I am buying and selling and what I recommend for as a strong buy. and just go from there. A lot of great stuff that I am watching and I really want to get in on. I just don't have the buying power to get in on every one. So basically, I watch a variety of stocks. I look for dips like this on HD where there's just a major pullback. It looks like they're up to 192.37. Now they're down to 190. They're down about $2. Um, I look for stuff like that, and then I buy, and it just goes up more. These are definitely growth stocks. A lot of different things if you guys are interested. But again, some of these, even in this mark, I can't even buy one share yet because I don't have enough money in my portfolio. But I will soon. So if you guys like what I'm doing, please smash the like button. Please comment if you have any questions, and also share with your friends or family who you might think this video is helpful. Alright, you guys have a great day, and I will see you next week or in the next video. Remember, subscribe.